And now we enter the Machan inside the jungle. As you see, we drive through. This is the special welcome we received. Now heading towards our stay inside the forest. That's my daughter Hia. That is our stay. She's very excited to see the tree house. So now enter the room. So it's a beautiful room. This is our bed, and that's the balcony. Forest all around. And that's Hia's room. So she now quickly goes up to her room. Wow, that is a cozy bed. You can see all around. It's all glass and clear, and you can see the woods. That's an open bathroom, open tub. This is the view from the upper balcony. It's really majestic.